amazing, really. The indicator was right. We used everything properly. $5,000. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you have asked me about RSI indicator, how to use it, how to work with it. So what if you and I gonna trade with this indicator today, and of course use the technical analysis. So today we're starting with about $200. We need to improve this deposit to make it bigger, and I will tell you about different situations, how to find the entry points, how to confirm that, and how to understand where the oversold and overbought zones. So guys, before we start, we need to activate the indicator RSI. First of all, we need to click the button, and here you can see the list of indicators. You're choosing RSI. You don't need to change anything. All the settings are by default. You can change the color if you want, and this is up to you. So the indicator is activated. It's under the chart. So it has two horizontal lines of 70 and 30, overbought, oversold zones, and the moving average between them. So this indicator works this way. When the moving average is in the horizontal 70 line, and this moving average can bounce from it or go beyond this line of 70. And the signal is the moment when this moving average is bouncing from the zone and moves down. So this is a signal actually that we can understand the asset is overbought, and very soon we will see the reaction. The price will bounce and moves down, and in this situation you can open a down trade, and when the moving average is in the horizontal 30 line, and that signals that the asset is oversold, and very soon we'll see the reaction. The price will be moving up. So the moving average can also bounce from the zone and go beyond it and then bounce from it, but nevertheless you can see this reaction. The movement up is about to happen, and when using this indicator you remember about the technical analysis, about the support and resistance levels, and pay attention to the general market situation. But of course, I'm sure you know how to combine these tools properly well. So guys, here we can see the support level. Let's work with it, and we can also notice the price has been approaching this level line, and this is the very impulsive red candlestick. Let's open an up trade for 1 minute, and we can see the indicator display shows that the moving average has approached the 30 line. That says that the price is in the oversold zone. Thus, we understand that the reaction will happen from the support level and from this zone as well. So, and I think that after this one-way movement, the price will bounce from the support level, and this will be the pull back up. And on this movement, we will try to make profit. So, as it usually happens, 1 minute is enough for that. So, now let's check what's gonna happen very soon. And I'm reminding you that you can get to my closed chat. Send me the code word private to my personal Telegram messages, EmmaMiller03. And in this closed chat, you will get the free trading signals, and you will know exactly when to trade, where to trade, and what currency pair to work with. So, what period of time, what direction of the trade, you will know everything, and you will be trading in a group of people. The people who like trading, who want to improve themselves in this sphere, and you're the one who will work with them. So the link is in the description. Join us right now. So guys, that is very interesting because the price really bounced from this level, and there was the pullback up. So we got the profit here, and 1 minute was enough here. So as you can see, the indicator helped me to understand the reaction, the zone where the price will bounce from, and we understood how to work in this case. So very good. Let's continue, and let me show you more situations. So guys, here we can see that after this pullback up, the price stopped, and now we can see the red candlesticks appearance. So now it is attenuation occurred, and we can see the price highs are becoming lower, and we can notice that the moving average is in the overbought zone. So that says that very soon from this zone the price will bounce and moving lower. So in this situation we can open a trade down for 2 minutes due to this downward movement and downside potential. So let's wait for the pullback down. Let's check it. So guys, it is very important moment. You need to like this video and subscribe to the channel and comment under that. What do you like about this video? What would you like to see next on my channel? Maybe you have any questions, everything, because this will help this video become better and my channel become better. I really need your support. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's continue trading. So guys, that is very interesting because really after the slight movement up, the price reversed and got to the correction movement. So we got this movement, we made money here, and the indicator was also right and showed me the very good entry point. So really from this overbought zone, the price bounced and moved lower. And as I understand, the indicator helped us, showed us this movement. Let's continue. So let's work with the situation. Here we can see the support level, and we can also notice the price moves down quite confidently and impulsively, touch this level line, and then after touching the price is in continuation, and we can see the green candlestick. So let's open an up trade for 1 minute because I think the price will bounce from this level and be moving higher, and this will be the correction movement. And we can also notice that the moving average bounced from the horizontal 30 line and moving low higher. So, and we can see the reaction occurred. This means that the price will be moving higher, and this up move will bring us the profit. Let's check it. So you are already choosing your platform, and I can offer you 2 platforms to work with trading: Pocket Option or Quotex. I use them myself. They are licensed. I trust them completely, and I will recommend you these platforms. And you will also get the free promo code, 50% deposit bonus for your convenient start. This will help you make money very fast. So guys, that is very interesting because price really got to the correction movement. This was the very confident up movement, and the reaction occurred from the support level and from the oversold zone. And as I understand, the indicator showed us these moments, and the indicator works quite well when analyzing the market, when prognosing the price movements, and these hints are very good for analysis. So guys, here we can see the support level at the bottom, and we can also notice that there has been the very confident one-way movement, and the price approached this level quite confidently. So we can see that the moving average is in the oversold zone. So this means that very soon there will be direction here. Let's open an up trade for 1 minute, because I think that from the support level there will be the reaction, the price will get to the correction movement, and this will be the pullback in the opposite direction. And the indicator also helped me to confirm my entry point, and we can expect this reaction, we can expect this movement from the zone, the correction movement, and let's check what's going to happen very soon. So guys, that is very interesting because price really got to the correction movement. There was the pullback up and we got it profit here. So the indicator was right again, showed us the very good entry point. Thanks to the analysis and to the indicator signal. So as I understand, this situation was similar to the previous one and to the previous ones, and that means that you will also find them on your chart. So guys, here we can see the resistance level, and we can also notice the price approached this level, and there was the breakthrough of the level. The price moved up for a while, and we can also see the price's attenuation and the stopping, and we can also see the moving average is in the overbought zone. It's moving there, and it means that there's a high chance the price will bounce from this level and be moving lower. This will be the movement of the correction. Let's open a down trade for 1 minute because everything signals that we have this chance after this breakthrough of the level. The price can get to the slight pullback down at least, and we will see this situation, and 1 minute is usually enough for this kind of situations. So guys, that is very interesting. Really, there was the very confident movement down, the pullback down, and 1 minute was enough for this situation. And we can see the indicator showed us very good entry point and helped me to understand the zone where the price gonna move and bounce. So after this movement down, the price reverses and moves up, and we can see that the general potential here is going up, the price lows are becoming higher, and this is uptrend primarily. And we can see that the moving average here is in the oversold zone. And this says that where soon the price will bounce from this zone and be moving higher. That means that we can open an up trade for 2 minutes. And this movement up will bring us the profit. We just need to wait for the end of this trade and check it for sure. Well, guys, as you can see here, unfortunately, the price continued moving down. We got a drawdown here. So sometimes it happens and we have these losses moments, and sometimes the indicator doesn't give you this perfect signal, but I have the deposit and we will work with it and earn back. So guys, here we're going to work with this support level, and I will show you exactly. The price bounced from this level, moved up, and from this point we can see the attenuation occurred, price reversed and moving lower. So we can see this general potential that's going down, and we can see that the moving average bounced from the overbought zone. We can see that very soon the price will be moving lower. That means that we can open a down trade for 2 minutes, and this time is with the reserve actually, because there can be the flat zone or the pullback up. But I think that from this zone there will be direction and price will be moving lower due to this downward movement. So let's check it for sure. So guys, that is very interesting. Really, we can see the slight movement down, and we got this profit. 2 minutes were perfectly enough for that. So the indicator helped me understand this zone. The price bounced from this and moved down. So as it usually happens, this time is enough. So let's continue with another situation. So guys, here we can see the resistance level. We're going to work with it. We can also notice the very good one-way movement up, and now the price has been approaching this level line, and we can see there is room towards it. This means that we have a place to work. The moving average has been approaching the overbought zone, and there is room towards the resistance level. So I really want to open a trade when the price approaches the resistance line closer, because I think that from the resistance level there will be the reaction, the price will bounce from it and moves down, and this entry point at the resistance level, for in my case, it is the best one and I want to have it. So the price approached the resistance level. Let's do that. Down trade for 1 minute, because I can see two factors are perfect. The price touched the resistance level and the moving average is in the overbought zone. And this means that there is a higher chance the price will bounce from this resistance level. We will see the correction movement and we will get the profit on this 100% situation. And 1 minute is usually enough for that. We need to check it for sure. So guys, as you can see, we cannot see the pullback down. The price got to the correction movement and the closure point was lower than entry point. This means that we got the profit. Technical analysis was right and the indicator gave the very good signal. So the main thing, we made profit here. Of course, I thought it would be better, but nevertheless, it is the profit. Let's continue. So guys, here we can see the support level. We will work with it. So the price approached this level quite confidently. You can see this impulsive red candlesticks, and now the price is going beyond this line. And the candlesticks are smaller and smaller. This is attenuation occurring, and the moving average is in the oversold zone. And that means that from the zone, the price will bounce and move higher. Let's open an up trade for 1 minute only. And I can see that after this one-way movement, the price will bounce from the support level in order to move higher. At the moment of opening a trade, we can see this green candlestick appearing, so the indicator confirmed our entry point, and thus we can really be sure that after the false breakout of the support level, there will be the pullback in the opposite direction, and as it usually happens, 1 minute is enough for that, but we need to check it for sure. So guys, that is very interesting, because after one-way movement there was the very good impulsive pullback in the opposite direction. So the reaction occurred from the support level and this zone was confirmed by the indicator. So the price is in the oversold zone, and that means that we will see the reaction and from the support level, and this pullback is 100% confident. So we prognosed everything, we read the signals, we analyzed the market, used the technical analysis. So my deposit is more than $3,000. I want to open the last trade for today, and Let's find it. So guys, here we can see the resistance level. Let's work with it. And here I want to open a down trade for 1 minute. And I can see the price approached the resistance level quite confidently. And from this level there was the reaction. The price bounced down. So our entry point was lower than I presumed. And we can see the moving average is in the overbought zone. Then it bounced from the zone and moved down. So we can see the very impulsive red candlestick formed. So I believe that 1 minute will be enough here and we'll have enough time to work out this correction movement. So I think that in this situation we will see that this entry point was lower and it's gonna be kind of lucky moment, I hope, but let's check it. So guys, that is amazing, really. 1 minute was enough here. We had enough time to work out this correction movement. So the indicator was right, our technical analysis was right, we used everything properly. So my deposit now is $5,000. So let's stop for today. Let's take the profits and leave the market. So all the stations were profitable. Yes, we got one loss, but it's not a problem because if we have deposit to work with, we are alive and we are getting this progress. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's been useful and interesting to you, and now you feel motivated enough to try that yourself. And here are the screenshots of the winners. $100 are yours, guys, and I congratulate you. And the next giveaway is right here. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment under this video, and join my closed chat. Send me the code word private to my personal Telegram messages, EmmaMiller03, and you will get your result next video. But I'm sure that you will get this $100. So guys, wish you all the best, wish you good luck, and see ya in the next video.